Welcome! In this segment, we're going to learn how to install IMAGEPRINT R.E.D. If your package already arrived, pull it out. On the front of the package, you'll notice a little container that holds what we call the dongle. On the dongle is a sticker with a 6-digit number. This is your dongle number. On the back of the package, there will be a sticker that contains the dongle number and the login ID. Keep that handy. We're going to need it later on in the activation process. Inside the package is an orange slip. This gives you all the login information on how to activate your license. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're on a Macintosh computer, go ahead and plug that dongle in any available USB slot. If you're on a Windows machine, hold off. The installer is going to tell you when to plug that dongle in. Installing IMAGEPRINT is an easy process. The first thing we need to do is go to our special landing page. Let's type in www.print-red.info. Once you're on the landing page, you'll notice there are 3 steps. The first step is to activate your license. If you're installing in demo mode, skip to step 2 and begin to download the software. Let's go ahead and activate our license. In the activation process, we're going to need our dongle number, our login ID, and the email we want the information emailed to. So on the back of your package, you'll see written the dongle number. It's also on the sticker on your dongle. Let's go ahead and enter that now. Followed by your login ID. And finally, the email you want it sent to. Once you're done, hit submit. That information is now going to be emailed to the address you gave it. Let's go ahead and return back to the main page by selecting this link. And while we're waiting for that email to come, let's go ahead and start the download process of the software. Now down below of step 2, you'll see a download link for the Macintosh software and the Windows software. I'm on a Macintosh, so I'm going to go ahead and start my download now. This may take a while depending on the connection speed that you have. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go check and see if that email came yet. Yes, here it is. Notice you'll be looking for an email from Colorbyte Software. Let's go ahead and check that the dongle number matches what we typed in. And right below that, you're going to see what we call the encryption code. I'm going to go ahead and copy this so that we can do a paste into the field when we need it. It's time to check on our download. Let's go to our Finder, select Go, and Downloads. At the very top, we can see our IMAGEPRINT installer DMG file. Let's select it by double-clicking. Now we can see our package file. We also need to double-click it. Now on a Macintosh, you may get a warning that this is an unidentified developer. That's okay. Select OK, and what we need to do is hold the Control key down, select the package file again, and say Open. Now your package file will give you the option to open it. And we want to say Continue. Once we're actually in the installer, it's going to walk us through each step. The first step is the introduction. Let's hit Continue, and we'll get to the license agreement. We also want to say Continue and Agree. The next step is going to tell us it's going to install the contents of this package file. This one is 411.2 megabytes, so this may take a few minutes. Let's hit Install. It's going to ask us for our system password. Let's type that in. And install the software. After the file's finished copying, we need to launch IP Setup. We do that here. Once IP Setup launches, you should see your dongle number listed in the upper left-hand corner. If you're installing as a demo, you won't see a dongle number. That's okay, let's continue. We're going to select Add Printer. The wizard is going to walk us through each step, so let's select Continue. If you're installing as a demo, you're going to select the demo installation down here. If you have an encryption, it would have been mailed to you from our server. I'm going to copy and paste mine in here and select Continue. The encryption code tells the software exactly what package you're installing, and mine says read large. I'm going to say Done, and it's going to install that, and the status should say licensed, and it does. We're now ready to launch IMAGEPRINT for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and quit IP Setup by clicking the red X, and on my installer I'm going to say Continue and Close. To launch IMAGEPRINT for the first time, you can go to your Launchpad, find the icon for IMAGEPRINT, or from your hard drive under Applications, you can look for the IMAGEPRINT folder and launch IMAGEPRINT from there.